Hi all, welcome to pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to detect the face through images. So for that, we have just passed on towards that respective segmentations and the filters, everything we have moved on. So this will be purely based on the application. So how that application will be working means only for detecting the face, and normally we can say that the cascade classifiers, which is in the form of HAAR. There are many other classifiers if you go for OpenCV, but inside this particular computer vision we are having that cascade classifier which detects the single phase or multiple phases, and at the same time we can also detect more amount of body, the upper part of the body. So that particular portion also can be detected. Throughout this video, you will be learning how to detect the face from an image with a minimal size of the code. So once when we go for the face detection, if we are just looking for a person and if he is he or she, how we are able to classify means the first thing is completely regarding towards the face. Okay, then will be just matching their voices or their appearance like that. So once when we go for regarding towards this kind of face means even the system also should know like the gender classification, face recognition, then mask detection. For all this kind of projects we require this face detection because that face should be known for a machine. So inside that particular device, if you are training, this is eyes, this is nose, this is mouth, and this is the eyebrows. So all these factors, when it is converted, it is known as the face. And now this particular face, it is clearly applied for the vision based cascade object detector inside our computer vision toolbox, which we are using inside our MATLAB. And onto that particular technology, what and all the advanced techniques it has been applied. The most important thing is the face recognition. For example, if you are just going for the Facebook, like the Facebook, if you are just uploading the photo, based on your face only, it is able to apply the tag. If you tag it that this is that particular person, then it is completely publicly it is shown like this is this particular person, and their account also will be there. And likewise, if you go for the security purposes inside your mobile or laptop or face recognition means it will note for the face and then it will start to match that particular pattern whether this face has been stored as the database or not. But once if you go for the advanced security, the face will be automatically turned into the depth camera part. Once the depth camera started to recognize, we will be programming if that movement or if the depth is being analyzed. If it is possible to analyze the depth of a face, then it is a live photo, so therefore the face is recognized. This and all the advanced stages which we work for the face detections. Now at recently the technology whatever it has been bought is through deep learning you can identify whether the person has worn the mask or not. If the person has worn the mask, there is no issue at all. If that particular person has not worn the mask means then the face will be detected, and from that the face will be recognized and that respective person will be able to send a notice. So this much kind of advancement implementations are available only with the use of the face. And if you go for the face application inside the Microsoft Azure means they have a separate domain for face API, and through that particular face API domain we will be able to recognize, detect, and all the things it will be done through the cloud process. So this kind of different integrations only here we can make it for the face detections. Now for that particular face, what and all that how it is able to apply and how that particular HAAR is also being taken. So before going to that, we have to know what and all the algorithms where the face detection and recognition can be done. For detection and recognition, we can go with these three algorithms like HAAR cascade classifier, then we can go with the LPP classifier, histogram oriented gradients, and convolutional neural networks in deep learning, and one more algorithm we can add like a GAN, generative adversarial networks. So these kind of different algorithms, it provides us an comfort feel for applying this phase reduction through the hair cascade. And inside that particular hair cascade, or let it be like a functioning of each and every artificial intelligence. So we have to know what are the particular requirements inside the phase recognition. First, let us start with the hair cascade. So inside this hair cascade, what are the main highlighted regions? So the highlighted regions are nothing but the eye region will be there, upper cheek, nose bridge, specific location of eyes, mouth and nose. And once when we are using this vision cascade, it is a particular function which detects the object. And here what is our object? It is nothing but the face. So for multiple objects we will be able to work with this cascade object, and this particular algorithm who has been created for facial detection, it is nothing but Viola Johns. So here we will be able to match facial images as well as non-facial images. So inside that particular facial images, we have that respective parameter. Like this feature, it is known as line feature. These two, these portion, it is known as edge feature. This is known as line feature again. So this kind of different features only it has been implemented to denote a particular person's face and how it is being detected. Through hair cascade, not only the face, a separate eye portions can also be monitored. The movement of the mouth also can be monitored. The rotation of the neck, the rotation of the head, this thing also can be monitored. So what and all the particular things which we will be able to see over here means, so here I am taking an image. So let us have a smiley. So here I have just drawn a particular smiley over there, and within that particular smiley, here what and all it is available, how we are able to know that smiley, because it has been trained into our mind. This picture, if it comes, means it is known as smiley. What are the common factors for smiley? So smiley is not only said whenever it is smiley. Even the sad terms also we are saying it as the sad smiley, the happy smiley, normal smiley. Like that we can say many things. Now within this, what are the particular requirements we have to add means only the person's nose. Okay. So here we have added that particular nose, and here we can consider as the upper cheeks. Now once that particular face detection or the respective algorithm whatever we are choosing for the face detection, once whenever it has been applied with this image means, initially what and all it will be checking from the features means these two portions and this portion. So with this it can confirm that this is a face of a human, because human face whatever it has been trained will be this posture only. Now inside this particular part itself, therefore it has been totally recognized as face. So this kind of bounding box and all won't be there. Once if it is recognized, total bounding box we have to draw. Until unless we draw, it won't be able to detect it. Now I am marking it as face. So in this way the face will be detected based on whatever the inputs or the algorithms which we have provided. Here this hair, it is completely applied only for this particular requirement. And the same thing if we are just using this hair transform, this is one sort of application for image compression purpose in electrical sections as well as computer applications. So that is a wavelet image compression. And at the same time, this hair cascade nowadays it is widely used inside the computer vision toolbox to compress the parts of multiple objects. Now on to that, we have said it is possible to detect the mouth as well as eye. So what does that particular function we will be able to know? So once if that particular eye, okay, so hereby I am making an eye. So for eye there will be some particular distance. So through that eye, what and all we will be able to apply and why it has been used. So now here we have detected the eye. Now with the help of the hair cascade, if you are just focusing only on eyes means, what is the major requirement of it? Because with the help of eyes, we will be able to do only one thing. One is opening, so opening the eyelid and closing the eyelid. With the help of that opening and closing, what are the requirements? Either eye blinking we can detect. With the help of the eye blink, we will be able to control any of the keyboards or any accessories to send any message And again with the same eye blink itself, not eye blink, with the help of eye, the drowsiness can be monitored, like the closing ratio and opening ratio of eyes. Based on that fraction of seconds, some application can be created. So for that, it will be recognizing only that particular eyes. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.